Welcome to Kids Corner, where the fun is always here.
Hello, space explorers. Are you ready to take a trip through our amazing solar system? Buckle up your seatbelts, because here we go.
The Sun. It's the big, bright star at the center of our solar system. The Sun is super hot and gives us light and warmth. Without it, we wouldn't be able to live on Earth. Sun. Next, we visit Mercury, the smallest planet and the closest one to the Sun. It's a rocky planet covered in craters. It's super hot during the day and freezing cold at night. Mercury. Now, Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is covered in thick clouds that trap heat, making it even hotter than Mercury. Venus. Here we are on our home planet, Earth. Earth has land, water, and air, making it the perfect place for plants, animals, and us to live. Earth. Next up is the red planet, Mars. Mars has the tallest volcano and the deepest canyon in our solar system. Scientists are really interested in Mars because they think there might have been water here long ago. Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant and has a huge storm called the Great Red Spot that's been raging for hundreds of years. Jupiter. We're now at Saturn, the second largest planet. Its rings are made of ice and rock. Saturn. Next, Uranus, the planet that spins on its side. Uranus is a chilly gas giant with a blue-green color because of the methane in its atmosphere. Uranus. Last but not least, Neptune. This deep blue planet is very windy and cold. Neptune is famous for its strong winds and dark spots, which are big storms. Neptune.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment and share.